Hi guys, so as the days get cooler, are you craving a bowl of soup that's not just warm but incredibly rich, rustic, and full of flavor? Today we are bringing you a true taste of Portugal with a beloved national treasure, Caldo Verde, the traditional Portuguese kale soup. This isn't just a simple soup, it's a hearty, comforting meal where tender potatoes and garlic broth meet smoky, spicy Portuguese sausages and fresh, vibrant kale. It's a simple one-pot wonder that delivers a deeply satisfying and complex flavor. Every spoonful is like a warm hug, and it's a perfect for a chilly day or whenever you need a taste of home. So, whether you have traveled to Portugal or are expecting the classic for the first time, this recipe is a must try. So, grab your ingredients and let's get cooking. So, now let's begin. So, first take 300 grams Portuguese sausages and cut the sausages into thin and round shape. Cut exactly how it is shown. Make sure the size is something like this. Then leave it aside to use it later. Then take one bunch kale and simply remove the stem of the kale. You do not need the stem, simply discard it. So I have separated the stem now. Then simply cut the kale into thin long strips. Make sure it is something like this. Then leave it aside to use it later. Then to make the soup in a hot pan, add oil, add the Portuguese sausages and fry it until the sausages are nice and crispy. Fry it for about 2 to 3 minutes. Until the sausages have released its fat. So as you can see that the sausages has released its fat. It has released all its flavor. When ready, simply remove it in a separate plate. Then in the same pan, add 2 tablespoons butter, add 4 garlic cloves chopped, add 1 onion chopped and fry it until the onion is nice and soft. Let the onion absorb all the sausage flavor. Then add 3 potatoes peeled and cut in thin slices. Make sure the size is something like this. Then simply add it to the pan. Then add 4 cups water. Add 2 stock cubes. Add some salt to taste. Add half teaspoon crushed black pepper and then give it a nice mix. Cover it and cook it until the potatoes are nice and soft. So the potatoes are nice and soft now. Then give it a nice mix. Let me show you how soft the potatoes must be. Make sure it is something like this. You should be able to crush the potatoes easily. Then simply crush the potatoes with a potato masher. Now it depends on you how much you want to crush the potatoes. I like to have small chunks of potatoes in my soup. If you want to completely mash the potatoes, then you can do it as well. If you want to blend it to a smooth puree, you can do it at this point. Then simply add the kale in the pan. Then give it a nice mix. Then add 2 cups water and give it a nice mix. Then add the Portuguese sausages and give it a nice mix. Then add 1 pinch cayenne pepper powder and give it a nice mix. Then cook it until the soup is nice and thick. So the soup is nice and thick now and the kale is perfectly cooked. As you can see, make sure the consistency of the soup is something like this. So the Caldo Verde Portuguese soup is ready. And there you have it guys, your very own and authentic Caldo Verde. Just look at that rich rustic soup packed with smoky sausages and vibrant kale. This is a true taste of Portugal right in your own kitchen, and it's the perfect one-pot meal for a chilly evening. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.